I'm gonna Carmella dance! Oh, they have the ears. It makes it even better.
Shop.
We still have the ears on.
We're going in Stop and Shop.
Stop and Shop.
Big thing that we still have the ears on.
We still have the ears on.
Yep.
Dun 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 dun. You don't have ears.
They have the hair.
You don't have ears.
Hey, they have rainbow sprinkles.
Cupcakes.
Those are brownies.
Yucky.
You don't like brownies.
These look cool.
Oh, those do look cool. That one knocked over. So did that one. And that one. I didn't touch them.
Store-made cupcake, you know?
That one's broken.
Oh,
Poor egg.
poor egg. I have no clue. I keep forgetting we have ears on.
I forgot about those.
Just feels so natural.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, bakery. You want to look at the bakery stuff?
Sure, why not? I just see that. Ooh, that's a pretty rose on it.
Ooh, Mary.
The Claire wants to commit suicide or be different.
No, don't.
It was
Cool.
cool. Oh, ours looks much nicer.
I love these. I love the raspberry and cream cheese. Not cream cheese. Yeah, cheese. Cream cheese, really.
Yeah,
Right.
those are cream cheese on the
Cheese.
right and lemon on the left.
I like the cheese and
Wouldn't you
raspberry.
make a skull look way prettier?
I also like the pistachio
turnovers.
muffins. Apple turnovers. The pistachio muffin. I love these. They're so good.
My tail broke.
Oh no, your tail broke. You're good. Hello.
Hello.
Got ice cream.
Oh.
Were they out of the guy that you were?
Yeah, the one I got was like the mango, but this is different.
Still good. Temptations.
We're done.
Dog treats. I probably shouldn't bark.
Fix my tail.
That's great. So,
We just got
Stop
out
and
of
Shop.
the
Sure.
store.
Oh no, oh no. So, that was Stop and Shop Adventure.
Dog ears.
Miss Fennec ears. How was it, Dad?
He's ignoring us.
Remember, Bagmates, be you, be true, and be free.
They can't see you. Oh!